How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
That's great.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How do you spell your name?
It's Sarah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little bit.
I'm learning English.
That's wonderful.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
What's your address?
I live on Main Street.
What's your phone number?
It's 555-1234.
Do you have an email?
Yes, it's sarah@email.com.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have one son.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Where do you work?
I work at a school.
Do you study?
Yes, I study at university.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people.
Do you live with your parents?
No, I live alone.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, her name is Emma.
Is your family big or small?
My family is small.
What does your father do?
He's an engineer.
How old is your sister?
She's 18 years old.
Where does your brother live?
He lives in New York.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What do you do every day?
I go to work and study English.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I have weekends off.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat toast and drink coffee.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
Do you drive a car?
Yes, I do.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What's the date today?
It's March 15th.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, can I have some water?
What do you want to eat?
I want piz.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I do.
Are you vegetarian?
No, I'm not.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, please.
How does it taste?
It tastes delicious.
Can I have the menu, please?
Yes, here you are.
How much is this?
It's $10.
Where is the bathroom?
It's down the hall on the left.
Excuse me, where is the train station?
Go straight and turn right.
How far is it?
It's about 10 minutes away.
Is it near here?
Yes, it's very close.
Can you show me on the map?
Sure, we are here.
I'm lost. Can you help me?
Of course. Where do you want to go?
How do I get to the airport?
Take the subway. Line 5.
Is there a bank nearby?
Yes, there's one on the corner.
Where can I find a taxi?
There's a taxi stand outside.
Which way is the exit?
It's over there.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Is it raining?
Yes, it's raining heavily.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, it's very cold.
Do I need an umbrella?
Yes, it might rain.
What's the temperature?
It's 25 degrees.
It's hot today.
Yes, very hot.
It's a beautiful day.
Yes, perfect weather.
What season is it?
It's spring.
When does winter start?
It starts in December.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I read every day.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is painting.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like basketball.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch TV and play games.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I really like it.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to pop music.
What are you doing tonight?
I'm staying home.
Do you want to go to the movies?
Yes, that sounds great.
What time shall we meet?
Let's meet at 7 p.m.
Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the cafe.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I'm free all day.
Would you like to have lunch together?
Yes, I'd love to.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm visiting my family.
Can we reschedule?
Yes, no problem.
See you later.
See you.
See you tomorrow.
Okay, bye.